If your engine only knock when you are accelerating and it's very quiet at idle, then come, this video is meant for you. I'm going to tell you 3 things. 1, why it's happening. 2, what are the common causes, and 3, how to fix this problem before it escalates. Then, what does this sound mean? This sound simply means abnormal combustion. That sound you are hearing at acceleration simply means abnormal combustion. It means the fuel is not burning properly. So instead of exploding evenly, it's exploding unevenly. So that is why you are hearing that knocking or pinging sound. But the question is, why does it only happen when you are accelerating? 1, when you accelerate, the engine is under load. But when you are at idle, your engine is not doing anything. But when you accelerate, your engine is under load. And these 3 things make your engine make that noise. 1, because more fuel enter your engine. 1, and number 2 is that the pressure increases in your combustion chamber and the temperature of your engine rises. So for this reason, when you are accelerating, you keep hearing that noise. So let's talk about what are the top causes. What causes this noise? What causes this knocking sound when you accelerate? Number 1, if you buy low quality fuel, low octane fuel, stop it. Number 2 is if you have carbon buildup in your engine, especially on your piston head. Number 3 is if you have faulty spark plug timing, faulty spark timing. And number 4, if you have bad knock sensor. 5, lean air fuel mixture. And 6, overheating engine. These are the possible things that could cause this. Now, how can you diagnose it? To diagnose this is what you need to do. What you should do is that you need to increase or buy a higher octane fuel. If that knock reduce, that's to tell you that you need to stop using low octane fuel. And 3, step 2, you listen carefully. When does this noise is very obvious, listen very well, and you scan for code. Use OBD scan. It's going to reveal the problem to you. So how to fix it? Very simple. Use better fuel, hard fuel system cleaner, and replace the spark plug. It's a very easy way to fix this. But what happens if you ignore? Then it's going to damage your piston. It's going to cause serious wear to engine component, and worst cases, it could also end the life of your engine. So trust me, you may not need to rebuild your engine when you are hearing this noise at first. But if you fail to pay attention to the noise, if you don't arrest the noise, that could lead to serious engine rebuild. Have you heard this noise before? Then tell me knock. Tell me engine knock in the comment section. That I will respond to you and tell you what you should do. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to follow me for more engine tips. If you don't follow me, you may not see me again. See you in another video.